On 3 drop-in factory style fuel module with twin pumps. Has the 6-pin connector, so we have a connector that with wiring harness to directly plug and play with that. As you can see, the factory fuel line plugs directly in for a simple install, and then the AN line you see is going to be the return from the fuel regulator up front that you will be adding, which all of which comes inside the kit. Okay, so under the engine bay, very simple. As you see right here, that's the factory feed line coming up from the fuel tank, and plumbs up right here where it normally connects into the fuel rail. We have a custom fitting that we have made. Your factory fuel line now connects into our interlocking billet line or fitting that we have made. The return side is going to feed off of here. You have a -6 that comes back and feeds into your regulator, thus turning this into your return fuel system. And coming out of the bottom would be the line that I previously showed you, plumbed up from the fuel tank, and that is the line that will return the fuel back to your fuel hat or module, whatever.